to flip. Whee! Now we have to put it under the blanket and then wait for when to punch it again. While waiting, I'm going to tell you a little fact. Rocky Mountain Air is so clean that one Canadian company bottles it and sells it. Good air. Have to punch again. Let's bring it to the table. Smells good. Now it's time to tell a joke. Where do fish keep their money?
Where?
In the riverbank. Has it tripled? Yay! It's time to put it in the pan. Now we gotta grease the pan and then put the bread in, like half the size. But you have to like rip some bread. And then you knead it. Knead it. Pop the bubbles. Pop. Knead it. Pop the bubbles. I put some green food dye on my bread just for fun. Put a cloth over it and raise it to rise for a couple hours for sure until it reaches triple the size. If it's ready. Yay! It is ready, but a little bit fat. Let's take this one.
Gently, be careful.
Very gently put this in. And you have to put in for 325 degrees for 30 minutes. Here are the final results. The bread is awesome, but there's one thing left to do. Taste test. So good.